Did you know that 99.7% of YouTubers never reach 1,000 subscribers? Well, to find out how you can join the top 0.3% of creators, I analyze hundreds of small channels that manage to blow up on YouTube. So today, I'll uncover the first step every small channel should make to get more views. I'll share common mistakes YouTubers make that slows down their growth, as well as a secret tactic to make your viewers like you more. So think of your favorite YouTuber. They too once struggled to reach their first 1,000 subscribers. But what do most successful YouTubers wish they knew when starting out? Believe it or not, the first step is to not make any videos. So rewind the clock and there I was hitting publish on my very first video for this channel. And that was it. I was about to blow up on YouTube and make that YouTube money. But fast forward a couple days and when I checked to see how the video was doing, I had a whopping 3 views. And they were all from me just refreshing the page. So that sucked, but I wasn't gonna give up just yet. I did what every YouTuber does, and that is to make more videos. But each time I was met with the exact same result. So out of frustration, I looked up what other channels in my niche were doing to get more views. Now I was in the entrepreneurship niche, and a trend that I noticed was that all the channels put dollar amounts in their thumbnail. So I started putting dollar amounts in my thumbnails and my videos started to do a little better. It was nothing crazy, but I was now getting a few hundred views on my videos. And for a new creator, breaking the 100 view mark is an awesome feeling. So before you make your first video, take a look at what other creators in your niche are doing and take inspiration from them. So video titles, thumbnails, how they structure and edit their videos. You want to take a blueprint that is already working, and then from there you can tweak it and make it your own. Now before you record that first video, let's look at the biggest mistakes you'll run into as a creator. Some are obvious while others not so much. But how do I know about these mistakes? Well, let's say I've been playing the YouTube game way before I even made this channel. In fact, I made my first YouTube video over 12 years ago. But anyways, between the many channels that I've made, I was always obsessed about getting the best camera that I could find. I thought that having a high quality 4K video was the key to getting views on YouTube. So I got a new camera and nothing changed. You see, the truth is your smartphone is good enough. Surprisingly though, what most noobs overlook is actually the audio. And to prove that, here's me filming the video from my phone. And now I'm back to the main camera, but with lower quality audio. Isn't this annoying to listen to? So remember that people might forgive slightly blurry video, but when the audio is trash, they're just gonna click off. But next up is the #1 mistake that will kill your YouTube channel. Have you ever seen those people in the YouTube comment sections? You know, the ones where they'll leave some random inspirational quote by Nelson Mandela, and then they'll get their second account to upvote and like their comment, and then they'll reply saying something like, "Your videos are amazing." Well, that was me. I used to do that back in the day with one of my old channels, and it didn't help at all, actually. In fact, it gave me a lot of subscribers, but my views were still very low because my videos simply, they just sucked still. And that actually hurts your channel because now you have a bunch of subscribers and they don't actually click on your videos to watch it, and that then hurts your click-through rate, which then hurts the views that you get. And this then sends a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm. So if you're doing sub for sub or anything like that, just stop because it doesn't work. Now what if I told you that there's actually a secret trick to make your viewers like you more? Well, let me tell you the story of how I came across this. One evening, I was mindlessly scrolling through YouTube, much like you're probably doing right now, and my journey took me to a channel named Film Booth. On the surface, it looked like just another channel, but there was something different. Something that made me stop and wonder why I was so captivated by his videos. Looking deeper, I discovered that he had a course on creating a viewer avatar. Now I know what you're thinking, what is a viewer avatar? And trust me, I had the same reaction, but intrigue got the better of me and I dove into the course. Now imagine that instead of trying to appeal to millions of viewers, that you make videos for just one person. This isn't just a random person, but an autistically detailed, super specific representation of your dream viewer. Their likes, dislikes, hobbies, dreams, fears, insecurities, everything just laid out. I spent days building this avatar, and then I called him Luke because he's basically just me. And knowing Luke in such detail allowed me to tailor my content specifically for him. But here's where the magic happened. As I started producing content for my viewer avatar, something changed. My comment section exploded with messages like, "You're so relatable, we're exactly the same person, and it's like you're speaking directly to me." Now, even though I was making these videos for my past self, it still represented thousands, if not millions of real people, because we're all really similar at the end of the day. So if there's one thing you do from this video, it's this. I know it's boring, but make your viewer avatar. Your content will become more human and authentic as a result. Now, I mentioned earlier to focus on making quality videos, but what are some actionable steps that you can take to actually achieve that? Well, improving your editing is actually a quick way to level up your videos. So check out this video on the editing hacks YouTubers use to get more views.